Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do a bit of an unboxing and a little bit of a mini review on this Kasa Smart Light Strip. Um, Pretty cool. I like that you can connect it right to your Google Assistant, therefore we can make everything automated. So looking forward to how we can do that. Now, first off, let's unbox it and let's see what you get in here. Okay, so we get, now this is 16.4 feet of cable, lights. This is about 30 bucks. You can get it from Walmart, I think it is. Or where we, yeah, Best Buy has it apparently, yeah. So 30 bucks, 16 feet. That's a pretty good amount of them. My plan is I want to have it going around one of my closet doors, but I'm not going to show you my closet because it's a mess. So that's the lights. Now let's see, how do we have something to plug it all in with? So there's the adapter. That's what's going to plug into the wall. This is plug into that thing, and that's going to plug into the end of the light strip. So let's just take a look at this quick start guide. Download the app, sure. You're going to connect one of the ends to this guy, and it's got a little indicator here to do that. And press this button once to turn on, and once to turn off, twice to go to a preset lighting switch. Press and hold for 5 seconds to reset only Wi-Fi settings, and 10 seconds to do the entire thing. Alright, installation tips, and then you can find out if the 16.4 feet is too much. You can actually cut it. So it's got, the strip behind it, and we can just be around going corners, avoid sharp corners. 90 degrees should be fine. Yeah, okay. Just make sure the LEDs aren't on the corners. So let's take a look at what this thing here looks like. Come on. Never so gently. Here we go. Okay. So, looks like a cable spool. And this end, all you were looking for is that arrow. That's there. It's going to connect to that arrow there. And then they're going to get connected together. And that is good. Okay, I'm just going to pause while I plug this into the outlet. Well, I don't have much plugins around here actually that aren't music pretty. So anyways, just go ahead and plug it into the wall, and then I can do that. Pretty cool. Doing some flickering. You can't see that. That's pretty neat. Turn it off. Turn it on. Pretty neat stuff. Okay. Now, the interesting part is going to be connecting that with the app. So let me go into here and let's look up the Kasa app. Kasa Smart stuff. Let's install. And I guess the nice thing is that once we do that, we can then connect that to our Google Home account, and everything should work fine. And slowly installing. Okay, so let's open. And let's first create an account. I'm just going to pause. Okay, so just set it up. Now we're going to see we can allow to set location so they can know what time is sunrise, etc. Sure. While using the app, stay up to date. We don't care about analytics. We don't want to worry about up to date. Okay. So what we want to first do is just connect a device. We want to add a device. And this is smart. I want to assume a smart light. Smart light strip. Now, which model is this? This, does it say? Kasa. Where's that quick start guide? Does it say what model this is? It says connect hardware. It doesn't say anything about what model. Okay, well, you know what? I'm sure that'll be fine. If I say that one, connect all parts. Powering up, make sure let your base control points each other. Yeah, done. Check, let's replace your light. Wait about 15 seconds. So it's blinking green and orange. That's right. Yep. There we go. It's connecting to the device. I'll tell it to connect to my Wi-Fi network. I'm connected to MobileNet. I'll put in the password. There we go. And go through. It's no longer blinking, so maybe that's a good thing. And it might just take a few seconds. Hey, I'll just pause while it does this. Oops. Okay, that took actually a little bit longer. So now I need to name this device. I'm going to call it the closet. And it's a light strip icon. Save. I'll do that later. Alright, sounds good. Now it's... Okay, it can do an update now too. So... But while it's done an update, it's interesting, I got a notification that KL400 just joined my Google Home network. Alrighty, so I didn't even have to sort of do anything. So I'm going to do this firmware update and I'll get back to you. Okay, so we got some new features. Let's take a look what we can do here. Easy control, how we can adjust certain features swiping around in the app. We can play around with the lighting effects, one tap color presets, and this is where we have that switch option that if you can press twice switches between those different lighting effects. Yeah, so let's get started. Call it the closet. Right, so again we can change around between power on and off, on, off, whatever. We can go to brightness, we can adjust. Not a lot line, they're all kind of closely lumped together. The color, we can play around all we want in the color. So it isn't like some of the Hue ones where you can have independent color strobing, but you can play around with that. Different effects. They have a bubbling cauldron. Well, that's pretty cool, especially for the closet. That's going to be fun. Flicker, like a candle. Hanukkah. Rainbow. Raindrops? How does a raindrop work? Interesting. Okay. And then again, we could preset those there. Usage. Oh, that's pretty cool. It gives us the usage of it, how much it's been used so far. That's pretty cool little feature to get to. But what we're interesting now is going to say is how do we connect that to my Google Home app? Okay, go ahead. Yeah. I haven't use this phone in a while for this feature. While using this app, Okay, so now I don't see the light in here yet, but I see at the top an opportunity to connect the Kasa. So we could also do it by going up to here and set up device, something that works with Google, and look up Kasa, but it looks like it's already recognizing it. We can go link your Kasa account. Yes. I'm just going to punch in my information. It's linking the accounts. Now, where is the closet light? Ah, there we go. There's the closet light. Right? We can adjust that to there. We can adjust the color to what we want. Except that's not really cool light. That's not really daylight. That's interesting. Blue. That's interesting that the white isn't really white. It's kind of a yellow. Okay, well, we'll play around with that. But let's put it in to... How do I add to a room? Yes to my house. Move device to the living room. No. Master bedroom. There we go. Device is moved. So now I can do things like, hey Google, turn off the closet light. Ta-da! Hey Google, turn on the office light. Oh. Hey Google, turn on the closet light. Very cool. Okay, so I'll have a bit of a write-up on this. If you have any questions, feel free to message. Thanks.